Alright, today we're going to continue learning about Pythagoras Theorem, and one of the things we do with Pythagoras Theorem, which we remember is c squared equals a squared plus b squared, where c squared is the hypotenuse or the longer side, is we can use it to find out that unknown, or solve for the hypotenuse, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So we're going to start with a, and if we look at a, we have a and b are these two numbers here, and the unknown is c. So if we substitute in all of those values, we can get c squared is equal to 12 squared plus 9 squared. Okay, that means c squared is equal to 144 plus 81. So c squared is equal to 225. Now, when we get to this stage, in order to find our answer, all we do is we go c is equal to the square root of 225, and that is equal to 15. Alright, I'll just show you quickly how to do that on your calculator. So if you go to your calculator and you just hit this symbol here, you'll get the square root button, and then you just have to put in 225 and hit execute, and you'll get 15. You can also skip a lot of the steps involved in the working just there and do 9 squared plus 12 squared, hit execute, and then to take the square root of 225. Okay? Alright, now back to this. So let's look at b. So for b, we have c squared is equal to 5 squared plus 12 squared. So c squared is equal to 25 plus 144, and that just equals the 169. So c is equal to the square root of 169, and that is 13. Alright, now that we have a basic idea of how to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a way in which you can do this in a single step. So again, for c squared is equal to 7 squared plus 24 squared. Now we don't have to do this or solve these immediately. What we can do is we can take the square root of everything underneath here. And then we can put this entire expression into our calculator. Hit the square root. For this one I need to put it in brackets. So 7 squared plus 24 squared, and then just hit execute. So the end result there will give you 25. Now, depending on what calculator you have, you may need to do this in stages. So you might need to do 7 squared and then add 24 squared. And after you do that, take the square root of the answer you got, which is 625. And that will give you the answer 25. So c is equal to 25. We're going to do exactly the same thing for d. So c squared is going to be equal to 21 squared plus 20 squared. Now if you know how to solve these in your head, that's totally fine to do that as well. So again, for this one, c is going to be equal to the square root of 21 squared plus 20 squared, and we're just going to put all of that into our calculator. So 21 squared plus 20 squared. So we'll take the square root of 21 squared plus 20 squared and just hit execute, and we get 29. So c, or the hypotenuse, or this unknown side, is equal to 29. Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.